My name is Telimpilo Zungu and I'm 27 years of age and I'll be playing the role of the miner. Thank you. Sanibonani basebenzi. Ngiyathemba ukuthi niyaphila nonke. Nami ngiyaphila. Asithemba ukuthi nonke ama-clock card ngafake kule ticket box liyana. Ya baba sibiya ya because ngibona uphethe i-clock card ngicela ifile lapha kwi-ticket box. Thank you. Basebenzi ngibuya le phezulu u-mine overseer. So i-mine overseer be-request ukuthi namhlanje kumele siplasteni 3 yama-faces. Senze sure ukuthi le shift le mayiphela we plaster 3 ends. And basebenzi, let's not forget to apply section 22 ku-safety. Safety yiyo ehamba phambili la e-mine. So section 22, let's make sure you look after yourself la usebenzela khona, and also make sure you look after your co-worker. Let's make sure again ukuthi we wear i-full PPE. Ngiyacela basebenzi. And futhi basebenzi ngicela ukuthi if indawo ingaphephile must apply section 23. Right? Section 23. You withdraw if the place is not safe. Do not enter if the place is not safe. So basebenzi ngicela ukuthi sisebenze ngokuphepha, phepha zonke, asingeneni phakathi sosebenzana. Sawubona. Sibiya phakathi.